Democrats in the House Energy and Commerce Committee began hearings on proposed legislation that would limit greenhouse gas emissions and require companies to acquire permits to release carbon into the atmosphere. If passed, it will be the first major environmental protection law in almost 2 decades.
Well, we need the lead on this issue because there are countries like India and China that, for whatever reason, are not unwilling to cooperate on the carbon cap, perhaps. But what they're doing isn't environmentally sustainable. With the Olympics, for example, they had to shut down manufacturing for about a month just to let the air clear, and that can't go on. And I think Congress, as well as the American people, are beginning to really embrace this whole idea of a carbon cap and the possibilities that it holds for this country economically as well as environmentally.
But the attempt to enact new climate change laws has brought counterattack from some quarters and a debate over the economic impact. As a response, the Environmental Defense Action Fund, the United Steelworkers Union, and the Blue-Green Alliance joined together to push for legislation in order to generate investment and jobs in clean energy industries. They believe the carbon cap is a critical step toward generating jobs in blue-collar industries like steel.
Much like the high-tech industry in Silicon Valley, where we assert ourselves in our rightful position in the global marketplace as the leader in this technology, and at the same time create a lot of high-tech green jobs, but also a lot of just good quality blue-collar manufacturing jobs, the kind of jobs that we lost so many of over the past several decades.
According to their claims, clean energy will be the next big industry, providing jobs for the hundreds of thousands that are now unemployed, something that Mr. Fetterman feels could soon be a reality.
Of course, there's going to be compromises to be worked out. I know there's a strong sense of bipartisanship on this, so I'm very optimistic.